So today we are making some overnight oats. This is a very good breakfast, quick breakfast option. So we are going to need our oats, some chia seeds, need some whole milk, 2 jars, some fruits. We have some strawberries, some grapes, and that's what we're gonna need. So let's assemble it. So our overnight oats, that's it. Just mix them, put them in a jar. They'll absorb the milk. They'll be a bit thick in the morning. Now this, go into the fridge. Now that will be eaten in the morning. Done.